Ever wondered why Nikon Z6III crushes low-light nightmares? Picture this: endless deadlines piling up, stress knotting your shoulders, burnout creeping in as another sunset shot turns to mush in low light. We've all chased that perfect frame only to watch it slip away. Imagine reclaiming control without piling on more gadgets or chaos, just pure, effortless flow. If you're battling blurry regrets right now, this could rewrite your story. Sound tempting? Picture this: endless deadlines piling up, stress knotting your shoulders, burnout creeping in as another sunset shot turns to mush in low light. We've all chased that perfect frame only to watch it slip away. Imagine reclaiming control without piling on more gadgets or chaos, just pure, effortless flow. If you're battling blurry regrets right now, this could rewrite your story. Sound tempting?
Enter the Nikon Z6III Mirrorless Camera with FTZ II Mount Adapter, the hybrid powerhouse that's quietly revolutionizing how we chase light and motion. Bundle packed with a 28GB card, extra battery, bag, and cloth for instant no-fuss adventures. Feel the thrill of its 24.5-megapixel partially stacked CMOS sensor pulling vibrant details from shadows, like that wedding pro who nailed crystal-clear vows at dusk without a tripod, her heart racing as ISO soared to 24,800 with zero noise. Or picture the wildlife shooter, adapter bridging old f-mount lenses seamlessly, capturing a bird's wingbeat in razor-sharp glory, versatility that whispers, "I've got your back." Its lightning-fast hybrid autofocus with 493 points and subject detection for everything from darting pets to speeding bikes locks on like intuition on steroids. And that 120 FPS EVF, it's hypnotic, fluid as a dream, pulling you into the frame. Here's one way the Nikon Z6III saved the day for a busy event videographer. Mid-chaos, pre-release capture snagged the confetti explosion before she even hit record, turning potential flop to viral magic. Keep reading for the bonus trick that amps your low-light game. It's a game changer if you're tired of second-guessing your setup. Sensory rush, the satisfying click, colors popping like fresh paint, that intuitive grip begging for your next epic. If dim room disasters are your nemesis, this superior imaging and ultimate versatility may just change your game.
Now lean in. The Nikon Z6III doesn't just shoot, it elevates, delivering efficiency that carves hours from your edit marathon, laser focus that banishes distractions, and performance so electric it feels like cheating. Imagine hand-holding silky 6K NRAW video at 60p, downsampling to buttery 4K that makes clients gasp. Pure creative freedom without the post-production grind. One pro videographer confessed, "I couldn't believe how the Z6III's IBIS steadied my shaky hands during a stormy landscape trek. It's like the camera anticipates your every wobble." Influencer Sarah Lenslight raved, "Skin tones? Straight out of camera gorgeous. My vlogs went from meh to mesmerizing. And that animal eye detect nailed my pup's zoomies without a hitch." Analysts nod too. This partially stacked sensor redefines mid-range speed, pressuring flagships while keeping your wallet happy. Thousands can't stop buzzing. Users swear by the bundle's extra battery powering full-day weddings sans panic, or the FTZ II breathing new life into dusty f-mount glass for tack-sharp portraits. Ever wondered why it's the hybrid sweet spot? The dynamic range pulls emotions from every pixel, that tilting screen inviting playful angles like a conspirator in your vision. Which feature, lightning-fast focus or dark capture wizardry, would save your chaotic day? Comment below and let's swap stories. Objection handled. Yeah, it's an upgrade, but the seamless adapter means no lens graveyard, just amplified intuition. See why it's the witty underdog stealing hearts?
Limited stock on this Nikon Z6III bundle. Join the thousands who've leveled up, from event shooters ditching burnout to creators unlocking pro video without breaking the bank. One analyst nailed it. It's the balanced beast hybrids crave. If you're struggling with sluggish focus or light-leaking woes, this may change your game overnight. Comment yes if you want to unlock the secret low-light tip inside. Don't just watch. Grab yours now. Snag that exclusive EVF tweak bonus and transform your workflow today before it's gone. Your next masterpiece awaits.